A family is having a picnic on a red blanket. The children are eating sandwiches and fruit. A dog is running near the picnic basket. The parents are drinking lemonade and smiling. The sun is shining brightly in the blue sky. Birds are flying around the tall trees. Some clouds are moving slowly above them. The park has colorful flowers and green grass. A playground with swings is seen in the distance. The scene looks peaceful and everyone is enjoying the day.